Hi, I want to show you guys how to, this is a continuation off of another training about how to create a virtual packet and a closing sheet for a special sheet for your customers. So I want to show you that today. What I print, what I put in it. If you watched how virtual how-tos, this is kind of a lead off of that. I'm going to share with you my screen so that you can see what I print off when it comes to, oop, that's not what I wanted to bring in. Okay, so a couple things that I print off is a little business card, and my business cards can look something like this. And it's really easy to make something like this as long as you're not using like a brand logo. So like this is going to have my QR code. There's a free QR creator for this. And then you can put your info in there. Um, Another thing that you can have in those packets so that people can know what to expect is a closing sheet. So I'm going to bring that up really quickly to share with you because this is kind of like a speed sharing you the tools. So let me share my screen. Okay, so I do put in a special sheet like this where they can learn how to. We're going to probably talk about these skincare sets on our phone call whenever they get their packet, because I always schedule a phone call if I can on FaceTime, or I invite them to a event that our unit is doing. So as all of our skincare sets, a little bit of makeup, and then the special. And then in the text thread, whenever I have texted them, this is the menu I was talking about. So I give some specials. They get to choose the free package, the basic package, deluxe package, elite package. There's savings whenever they do any of the ones up here, but they get some full size product. They get the free package. That's where you're going to use that non-machinable stamp that I talked about in the other virtual one. So this would be free. The basic, it's a $25 value with the samples and the satin lips, but you're giving them to them for 20. You can choose if you want to charge them shipping and the taxes on it. But that's how I do those packets. So this is a question I ask them in the text thread, and then once they choose their thing, I create their package, send it to them so that it can arrive and we can do our phone call or virtual party with their group. So there you go. That's how I create that. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any issues.